Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Filto app keeps crashing issue Android. This problem happens when you use the software for a long time. We will try to solve this problem in few steps. You can watch the full video. This problem occurs for several reasons. You need to clear the data of the software that has the problem. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Click Settings. Click Apps. Then click App Management. Find Filto app. Click Filto. Then click Storage Use. Click Clear Data. Then click OK. Click Back. Click Force Stop. Many problems arise due to low storage in our phone. Click Settings. Click About Device. Click Storage. Click Clean. Then click Clean. Some phone functions are different. If you don't have this option, like me, how do you solve it? Click Settings. Click Search bar, then type Storage. Click Storage. Then click Clean. Hope you understand. Many times it is seen that we are using the software for a long time, but we are not updating the software. This is why we can see this problem. Let's see how you solve it. Open Google Play Store. Then search Filto app. Click Filto. If you get any update, please update. After following all the steps, restart your phone. If you like the video, please share with your friends. If you have any problem, please comment. Thanks for watching.